5 a.m. Everybody's still asleep. Still dark outside. Long day ahead. Hopefully exciting day ahead. Let's do this.
Did you notice that Daddy wasn't here this morning?
Yeah, where did he go?
Where do you think he went?
In an RV.
He went in an RV?
Yeah.
He went to go look for an RV this morning. I have a lot of mixed feelings about it. I'm super excited because I think this is our 5th year on the road, and we just had a conversation about how our travel style feels like it's starting to change a little bit, wanting a little bit more space to stretch our legs. So I love that Hensley is really into arts and crafts and art, but I mean, this is the only like space we have. It gets kind of cluttered in here with all the art.
I'm trying to put my eye on this eye on my other eye.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Let me see. Poor JJ. It's like, that looks so weird. What kind of RV do you want?
Fifth wheel.
Why do you want a 5th wheel?
Because I want a room.
You want a room? Your own room?
Uh-huh.
You know you gotta share with JJ, is that okay?
Okay. JJ's so cute.
He is so cute. It's exciting to be in a new season and to have a change, but it's kind of nerve-wracking at the same time because change is scary sometimes.
You know, with RVing, we made a lot of changes. We made changes in RVs, we made changes in our RV style, and really that's what's driven the different RVs we have. We don't make change just for the sake of change. It usually is driven by something, and in this case, the change we're looking at with going from the Airstream to a 5th wheel is driven by the change in our lifestyle of, okay, you know, this is pretty hectic with the baby. We could use a little more room. It requires more clothing after the spinning up and the poop and the everything else going on.
What if we do get a rig that is too big for us and we're unhappy with the amount of flexibility we have? But oh, let go of her hair. But I mean, just taking that leap to full time was scary, and it paid off. So
the discussion Marissa and I had when we started thinking, okay, are we getting serious about getting a 5th wheel, is our lifestyle going to change? Not forever. As the kids change, as how often we're outside changes, as we have a baby, or as things change, you know, I could see maybe if we get a 5th wheel in 2 years, we might go back to something smaller, something different, if our lifestyle is looking for that. So that was the discussion we had, and we both agreed, yeah, I think we're ready to change the pace of how often we stay places, maybe change where we're staying. And so I drove this morning from Savannah to Tampa, which is 4 to 5 hours. So it's gonna be a long day because I plan on like driving it twice. But that's the plan today, to look at this RV in Tampa, see if we're moving forward with it or not. All right, I'm a sweaty mess because I couldn't show this first off because I want to look at things, see how we felt about it. I've gone through it with a fine-tooth comb. Anybody have a guess what this thing is? It's not the 31MB. Ooh. Oh.
What I love about mid bunks, I know we've said this before, but you get all of this and it just feels more like a home.
Yeah. It's not the 311 BHS.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it. She said
that's pretty much it. Is that all we need? The window? Oh, it has a window, doesn't it? This one has a stove and a microwave.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You like
okay.
The window, huh?
Pretty typical corner shower. Got the light up top. It's not the Arctic Wolf 5692 QRS TV or whatever the name. I like it, babe.
I like that they'll have their separation.
Yeah? It's a big deal having this for her.
When not in use, you put the bed up and it gives you a walkway here.
So they put the TV here, fireplace here. Look at all that freezer space. That is awesome.
That's nice. You got a little bit of counter space, lots of pantry space.
So here's the bunk room. Pretty typical. It doesn't feel crazy smaller than the 31MB and some of the other stuff we walked into. So this is actually an RV that we walked through that didn't make it to YouTube. We actually ran into it in a live chat with our patrons in the Tampa RV show. This is like a floating, do you notice this?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Look at this bunk room.
Oh, this is off to the side. Okay, this is all
It's huge. Look at this.
Oh, it keeps going. Wow.
Hensley,
Oh,
come look at this bunk room.
You need to check out the bunk room in this one, Hensley.
You have your own bathroom? That's what I always wanted that. Me and Lolan will sleep there, and the babies sleep there.
I could do this.
So we have shown it there, but you guys haven't seen this. What you're looking at is open range 374 BHS. It is under 40 feet, just barely. 39 feet 8 inches. It is under 13 feet like I went on the height. It's like 12 feet 10 inches. I'll give you guys a super quick tour. We'll do a more in-depth one later. Give you an idea of what we got going on with this rig. So this is a 2019. I'm actually at the repo guy's house. So he repoed this from somebody. It was used for like a few weeks, got repoed. So here we are. And one thing to mention, if you're buying an open range, I think Grand Design, I think you can transfer the warranty, but I called open range, they said you cannot transfer their warranty. So it's really weird getting a 2019 without the transfer. So that's factored into what I offer for the price too. Thoroughly check this thing out. Slides, water systems, propane systems. I'll give you a quick tour. So you walk in, my coffee mug's already here. This is the living area. Lots of good counter space. It does have a residential fridge, and I know some of you guys, what you're thinking, we're gonna try to figure that out. A lot of these have started going to that, but man, this thing gets cold fast. And this is an insane amount of storage. It's like 23 cubics. Good night. It's got the water, cube, crushed ice, all that going on. Microwave, stove, little things. Open range does well, like a slide out for the trash. Another slide out, canned goods, spices, all that. Dual slides in here, so a lot of room. Fireplace, we prefer this over the U-dinette because we like these. We think they're more comfortable. Maybe that's selfish as parents, I don't know. But we like these. We've sat in a lot of these and loved them. Dinette as well. This is the view from the other side. So this slide comes in, this slide comes in. 4 slides. I'm not looking forward to all the slides. I'm not looking at the automatic levelers it's got outside. I mean, it's got just auto everything all. It's got 2 awnings. But man, just a living space. Just for the phase we're in and what we're wanting is a living space. This is what we think we're looking for right now. Again, right now, it could change later, but right now we feel like this is a good fit. So you'll notice when you sit in the chairs and you're facing the TV, that usually doesn't happen in a lot of these. It happens usually when you got a half bath in the back. So like the 311 BHS by Grand Design, they've got a half bath. When you look at that half bath, you'll notice it's not very deep. Well, it's not very deep because this checks out something else we had on our list. It's got the washer dryer hookups. So washer dryer hookups, check. Tons of counter space, check. Storage, check. Great seating in front of the TV, check. Bunk room, which was like a must-have pretty much for what we're looking for. And we really wanted this, like a table for Hensley to play on, to do arts and crafts, games. We can sit down together as a family if we want to. This flips down. Might be JJ's bed, might be Hensley's. I'm not sure yet. There's a window behind that. Storage, lots of storage, extra sleeping space, play space, whatever. Another bed, might be Hensley's, not sure. Lots of space back here in the bunk room area. It doesn't have the dual slides back here like some of them, and that'll give you more space, but it's plenty. Like this is an insane amount of space to us. Like the ceiling height, the slides, and I tested everything. Again, the slides on this compared to like the Newmar motorhome we had, those are kind of like came in and dropped down and just didn't like the way they felt. Like these feel really good. Like they're wire based. I don't know what they've done, but I like the way the slides feel in this. Look at all the storage. Goodness. Skylight has 2 ACs, they're ducted. This is just kind of a bonus thing. I don't know if it's a big deal to me or not, but you can, I think you can do like I don't know what all you can do in this thing. I think you can do leveling, some other stuff with this. It shows your battery voltage too. It's a master bedroom, king bed. The way they do it, it tucks under your nightstand over there. So when this slide comes in, it's tucking it over there. Bathroom, love the bathroom space. Marissa can get ready here. And then still got room for another person to get in here if they need to, because they can come in the other door. Big shower, that was something we really wanted. Space to sit down, space to store things. Lots of storage in the bathroom. You know, the outside We've got an outdoor kitchen, which wasn't a must-have. That was kind of a nice-to-have. The way this worked, we saw it. I saw the length. This was kind of on my radar, but not at the top of the list. And like I said, Marissa, this is longer than we want. It's got more stuff than we really want. What's our we don't really want to buy it price? And then we offered that price. We're gonna have to get something 2 to 5 years old compared to this in our price range on the other ones. They took the offer. They're like, we want it out of our yard. They have no emotional attachment to it. Like, come get it. Hopefully that's what we're planning to do today. If I don't die of dehydration, my goodness. So everything looks good. Looks like we're gonna go for it. Gotta figure out the logistics of wiring the money. Gotta get an F-150 to tow this. We're gonna do this thing. And I'm totally kidding on the F-150. Like, don't tow this with an F-150. Like, don't do that. Definitely gonna be bigger than that. I mean, for maybe months, I've been driving around thinking, okay, what would it be like to park a large truck there? What would it be like pulling a fifth wheel there? Like right now, what I'm doing, I could whip in here with the Airstream if I wanted to. Not anymore. It's gonna change stuff a lot. We really believe that scale's been tipped toward that direction.
I'm really excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. Just change is hard, but without change, there isn't growth, there isn't strength, and we wouldn't be where we are living RV life full time if it wasn't for change. And believe me, I remember how scary that was too. And I don't know, it's just, we feel in our hearts this is the right decision for our family. Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Who's that? Who is that?
Hey, chicken.
It's actually been overwhelming. I mean, you have to
Daddy! Huggles!
it is.
Huggles?
I made something.
Oh, did you make me something? What'd you make?
Close your eyes.
Ah, they're closed. Whoa! Is that for me?
Yeah.
I heart you. Welcome. Is that welcome?
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome, Dad.
Yeah.
I heart you. Welcome, welcome, Dad.
That means I love. That means love.
Means love.
Yeah.
I love you too.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Did you have fun today with Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you know we're gonna have a different RV?
Yeah.
Did Mommy tell you?
No, I haven't told her.
You haven't told her?
Mm-mm.
What do you think about living in a different RV?
Hmm.
It has a bunk room.
Yeah, but I'll miss the Airstream.
I know.
We'll miss the Airstream too. Tears will probably be shed.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure it will be very emotional for us. We love the Airstream.
We do. We
but
love it, don't we?
it's time for a new adventure, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're gonna get your own room.
when you see that other one, you'll be excited. Okay? You excited?
And you know what? Hensley,
Do you know what?
your bed has a window.
You get your own bunk room in the back. How's that sound?
Good.
Good.
And a table for crabs.
Mm-hmm. And your own bathroom. I don't know what you need that for, but you got your own bathroom. So we had our must-haves, which just met our must-haves, but some other ones met our must-haves too. And then we had like a list of maybe like 10 nice-to-haves.
Yeah.
And I think the other ones met maybe like 3 or 4 of those, and this one met like all the nice-to-haves. So I don't know if that's what this came down to, was like for only 3 feet more. Because it's not, you know, a king bed is not a must-have. It might feel like a must-have. A big shower is not a must-have. For 3 feet more and like a really good price, we felt like it was good. It was good.
I'm excited. You feel good about it?
I think so. I know I'll feel really good once we're in there and settled in. I know it's gonna be a tough transition period where we know we'll be walking around seeing the Airstream and thinking about being without it. And
But I mean, every time we've made a change, it's been good for our family. We're at the point to maybe stretch our legs a little bit. And
it's not a forever thing with an RV, especially.
Yeah.
Like, making the change. Now, making the change is not easy. I mean, I had 100+ hours of research into different RVs. And I drove 11 hours today. I've inspected 2 hours today, and still didn't walk away with the RV. I mean, we got to tow the RV to us and get a truck and sell things, and it's a lot. It's tough. Change. That's part of the reason I guess people don't change a lot. It's just so much work too.
But it's our life though. Like
it is.
You know, like
Yeah.
I think for me personally, I don't know if this is for everybody, but I think so. Those changes are kind of necessary to keep going sometimes.
Yeah.
You
Well, I think
know?
you get in a rut if you don't make a change at
Yeah.
some point, and so you have to kind of recognize that. Even though it's not easy. What are you doing, Goober? Even though it's not easy, you know, it's necessary. It's an important part of life. Did you have a fun day today with Mommy?
Yeah.
Way more fun than you would have with Daddy?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to, that's what you say. You booger. You better not say that.
We've got a new RV.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get some dinner because all I've had is a Chick-fil-A sandwich today.
You had Chick-fil-A.
I did. I had Chick-fil-A for breakfast.
Jealous.
Yeah. Well, you would not be jealous of
No.
the sweaty mess I was in, all the driving and the inspecting.
No, no, that's why I kept,
It went well.
That's why I
went
kept
well.
these two here.
Yeah. But all right. Well, I'm gonna eat some dinner. Hang out with Hensley with what energy I've got. Love on my wife. Is that creepy? No more dryer talk. We have a washer dryer bed.
Yeah, it's not gonna be in the bedroom though.
Yeah,
so
I know. We'll see. We got a king bed. The king bed actually, like last time we had a king bed, we like slept farther apart. So I don't know. I think we needed a full bed. Is what we needed.
Our whole marriage, we've only had a king bed, and it was that 6 months we had our fifth
Well, we
wheel.
only lived in that one 3 months.
Yeah.
We owned it 6 months. We only had a king bed for 3 months. Our whole marriage.
Here's some dinner.
Oh, is that my dinner? Thank you, Hensley.
She cooked.
All right. Well, Hensley cooked. I'm gonna eat some dinner, and we will.
Have fun and see you guys later and tap videos of Hensley in videos and say subscribe in our videos on YouTube.
What you been watching? Wow.
You're telling them to subscribe to our channel?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
She's way better at it than us.
That's hilarious.
All right. Catch you guys later.
Catch you guys later. Have some fun and tap the YouTube button.
Tap the YouTube button.
Tap that YouTube button. Catch you guys later.
Oh, this is his milk drunk. I ate good when his hands go up over his head.
That was a good one.
That's when I'm done. Oh, it was so good.